Hey James, it's Corey here. Real quick, I'm just going to shoot over those three free tips on how to get some more traffic to your website. Really outrank your competition as well. The three things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. First thing I'm actually going to go over is content. I've been looking at your site, just really bringing your word count up to about 1,500, maybe 2,000 words. Being really authoric in what you do and how you do it. Plus, adding that much more content in there, you can layer in those keywords, and those keywords are how you're actually being found. Even these images, this is all content back here. You got the same words back there. You could actually switch that up. Do more buyer's intent keywords. That's just going to help with your rankings as well and help you get on that first page of Google. Now, if I go inside of Google and just type in heating repair, you could do any location really. This is what you're going to see. You get these Google guarantees here at the very top. These are actually brand new with Google. They came up with these to get rid of these old school ads, which these have been really spammy. So Google came up with these Google guarantees to help block out some of those spammy phone calls. Just another form of paid advertisement, really. And I love to break down the ROI on those Groupon ads and also on all this organic stuff that I'm going to show you as well. But this little map pack right here to get in the top rankings, you got a bunch of businesses here trying to compete for these top sections. You got a lot of pages that goes on as well. Now to get in these top sections really is going to be dealing with a lot of citations. What a citation is just an online business directory with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. So what we'd want to do is come in and get those same citations that your top competitors have. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well, so that way we're always outranking the competition. We want to do maybe 50 times, maybe 100 times the competition, so that way we're completely outranking them. So when Google comes by and does their crawl and does their algorithms, they have no reason to put you in the top section right here. Underneath that map section, we have all the organic traffic. This is the first page of Google, and really to get to your pages or your site here to be found really comes down to making sure you have all that authoritative content being found for those keywords, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from a website linking back to your website that's just really pushing power back to it. Excuse me. Not all backlinks are actually created equal. Give an example here. If I take your URL and stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is just a tool that lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. It does look like your site is a newer one, but you got 3 referring domains, 3 backlinks pushing from that, 3 organic keywords, and 0 clicks to your site. You can actually come in and see what you're actually ranking for. Here's your 3 keywords right here. I'm going to do a quick overview. This is day and night. I'm going to put them inside of Ahrefs, do an overview. They got 76 referring domains, 338 backlinks, which they're getting 638 organic keywords to their website, which is pushing 261 clicks on average to their site every month. Coming in, we can actually see where these clicks are coming from. Here's all the keywords that they're actually ranking for. Here's the amount of clicks that's coming in for each keyword, and also their position that they're ranking for, as well as the amount of traffic for each keyword as well. So giving you a few examples, they got their name here at the top. HVAC, Fayetteville, NC. There's 100 clicks every month. They're third position, so they're getting 13 clicks out of 100. 13%, which is not a bad deal right there. Heating and air, Fayetteville, NC. There's another 150 clicks. Got their name. AC repair, another 90 clicks. Air conditioning repair, another 150 clicks. So as long as you get a good ranking, you're going to get some decent traffic, and it really comes down to making sure you have those high quality backlinks, so that way you can get that power on that first page of Google. Anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over and think that I might have a few tricks on my sleeve, feel free to reach back out to me. I'd love to put a custom game plan together for you. Or if you just want to apply these 3 free tips for yourself, that's fine too. If you want to give me a review on how I did in this video, that'd be great. Thanks. Have a good day.